Want to share your epic pub wins with the world? Live on Facebook. Let's dive in. First app, streaming Pub Mobile. On your phone, open the Facebook app, tap the What's on Your Mind box. You'll see a Go Live option. Tap that, choose games as the category, and find Player Rundown's Battlegrounds from the list. Give your stream a catchy title and description. Then, at the bottom, make sure Mobile Games is selected. Hit Start Live Video and get ready to drop. Now, for PC players, you'll need streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. OBS, download and install your preferred software, open it up, and connect your Facebook account. You'll need to generate a Facebook stream key from your Facebook gaming page settings. Copy this key and paste it into your streaming software stream settings. For output settings, aim for a resolution of 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. Depending on your internet upload speed, a bitrate of 4000 to 6000 kbps is a good starting point for 1080p in your streaming software. Add a game capture source and select pub position and resize it to fill your canvas. Then, hit Start Streaming in your software and go live from your Facebook gaming page. Engaging your audience is key. Keep an eye on your chat and respond to comments, ask questions, run polls, and thank viewers for their support. Playing with viewers or shoutouts can really boost interaction for growth. Be consistent with your streaming schedule. Share your stream link across your social media and consider promoting your channel. Use relevant hashtags like hashtag Pubg streaming and hashtag Facebook gaming in your stream title and posts. Remember to have fun, play your best, and let your personality shine through. And that's how you broadcast your pub adventures on Facebook. Keep practicing, keep streaming, and happy gaming!